Today is Keris's birthday, and we're staying in a luxury bamboo villa in Bali. So let's show you around.
Right, before we go in, here's a microphone.
Okay.
Because I need to get your reaction to this.
Oh.
No pressure.
Am I leading the way? Oh my gosh. There's flowers in the pool. Oh my word. I don't know where to look. There's a bath. A huge bath. Aww. Happy birthday, Keris. Thank you. Oh, I love that. Oh, I'm just feeling very grateful. Very lucky, very happy. I love it.
It's really cool, it's not even moving.
No, it's not moving at all. It's so beautiful. And it's all ours. I can't wait to get in it.
What do we do? Do we just like jump in it?
Yeah, I guess like all the colours will start getting mixed in. I don't want to jump in, I don't want to spoil it. It's so gorgeous and like look at all the detail. Smells nice too. Bath is ginormous. Oh look, and we've got some foam. Doesn't really, it just looks like water. And salt, ooh.
Look at that.
I think I like it.
Yeah.
Look at the size of these. Oh my gosh, look at the villa. Wow. Look at all the straw on it. I feel like the luckiest girl in the world. I feel like I'm on my honeymoon.
Not quite yet.
So it looks like we've got a sunken living room. I've always wanted one of these, never mind having one of these with a view like that. Wow. This is so incredible. Wow. I see a net.
Who's in it?
Okay, should we go explore the kitchen a little bit? I don't think we'll be doing any cooking here, but we can see what's in the cupboards. We've got a hob, extractor fan. We've got some pots and pans.
We will probably not be using.
Probably not. We eat it. We eat it. We eat it. We usually do. We're just taking a break because it's a special occasion. We've got some nice silverware. Oh, it's two of everything. It's like they knew there was just two of us. Oh, we've got two of everything there as well. Oh, and then we've just got some cooking utensils down there. And then we've got some waters, Pringles. Yeah, who put these in the fridge? Do they have different ingredients out here? We've got some Coke, Sprite, red and white wine, and then some bintangs. And then we've got two of everything again, wine, beer, water, juice, tea, coffee. And I just love how there's little flowers everywhere. It's decorated so beautifully. The nature around this place is unbelievable. Obviously, you just saw those giant banana leaves. Look at those. Right, let's see what this is. Bathroom maybe? Nice bathroom. It's quite industrial themed. Ooh, fancy mirror. More little flowers dotted everywhere as well. Oh, that's really nice. And we've got a little waterfall shower head on there. Right, shall we go upstairs? Oh, I'm excited. It's very private as well because look how tall the plants are.
Hello, anyone in?
Oh, did you plan this?
What?
Did you?
What did they do? How did they know? How did they know?
Oh, wow. Oh, and there's an offering all for me.
So there's a little note.
Let's open it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on a little scroll. Mr/Mrs. Gaspoint. Welcome to our home at the Pulu Villas. It's our pleasure to have you stay with us. Thank you for choosing our cottage and I trust you will enjoy your stay at our home. Oh, tour arrangements can be made for whitewater rafting, the Batur volcano, which we've just been to, make sure to check that video out, and the Holy Temple.
All of those sound lovely, but
They don't sound as lovely as chilling
staying
out here.
yeah, staying here in the pool.
Look at that view, guys. So there's a second bathroom, and it looks like we've got some really nice towel robes as well. Oh look, big desk.
Big desk.
But we're not working.
No, we're out of office at the moment.
Out of office. Oh, this is nice. Oh. Even more rice fields. It's a pretty big bathroom actually. Look at the shape of the ceiling. Wow, that's really nice. So much light in here. An amenities box, what have we got? Dental kit, shower cap, sanitary bag. Boring. Oh, another waterfall shower. Again, just more flowers everywhere. Look, just put it in my hair. Yeah. And then we've got a toilet back here. Oh yeah, it's got like a built-in bidet. I'm loving this bathroom though. Look at the size of this mirror. Oh my gosh. I feel like a Disney princess. This is so thoughtful.
These balloons though, they're children's party type balloons, but I appreciate what they've done.
It's very fun.
It's for a fun birthday.
Ooh. Right, let's see the outside. Wow.
Go on, are you gonna go on the net?
Yeah. How do you go on the net though? Like,
you just-
surely you can't walk on
You
it.
just lie on it, don't you? Yeah.
I can't just like step on it though. I have to
I mean,
like,
you could, but it'd probably be hard to balance.
yeah. Shall I just like roll onto it?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Go on then.
Do you think it carries two people?
It must do, yeah.
It's kind of painful.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Thank you, mate. Show your face. You see this online, like it looks super comfy, but I guess the rope has to be strong.
On the feet, that's for sure.
It's not good on the back either.
What the hell?
You alright?
Don't record.
Happy birthday.
It's not even my birthday yet, it's tomorrow. I
Got it
feel
a
like
day
a
early.
fraud.
Yeah, we're keeping the balloons in when we sleep.
Yeah, it's my birthday when we sleep.
Now it's time to ruin the flower arrangement. 3, 2, 1, go! You won't hurt yourself. 1.4 meters is quite deep. Go on, just do it. Woo-hoo-hoo.
That was the worst jump.
I would say that was a 5 out of 10 jump. Got one more surprise for you.
You did tell me by accident last night. I don't know what I don't know what it is. I definitely don't know what it looks like.
Okay, well, I'll follow you.
Oh my god, look at that massive lizard.
Well, let's get there before it gets to our breakfast.
Breakfast. Oh, it's in a hole. Oh, I love it. Have you seen inside? It's like croissants, these like cinnamon swirls. They're warm. They're
Are they?
so warm.
This is an American breakfast. And then we got a fruit platter with it as well, because I feel like you have to get that
Yeah.
on a Bali floating
Wow.
breakfast.
I mean, I definitely don't think you get this in America.
No.
This breakfast.
No, I think it's very different.
Like twirled the bacon into like a little rose. And we were told the other day actually that the potatoes are really expensive here. So
Yeah.
that's nice. We've got potatoes. I think it's the peanut cereal. Do you know the ones I mean?
Like sugar puffs.
Yeah, I think they're sugar puffs. Wow. And then we've got some coffee as well.
We also have a bath, outdoor bath here, which we'll do after the floating breakfast. It's been going for quite a while, but I mean, imagine sitting in the bath and looking at this view.
He's over there now. It's okay. We're gone. I guess just put it on the floor. And he can crawl out. You're okay. Oh, I bet he's tired. Oh, he might have soap in his eyes. And he's back at our food. He's by the food. He's a sneaky little one, him.
So, we are at a silver making class for Karis's birthday.
Wyoming's jewellery shop.
Choosing your sample.
So hard to decide.
I might get this one. Got a little split in it. Gonna melt down the silver now. Yeah, fire. Expert. More. Go.
First.
Go. Underline. Wow.
Your go.
My God. Oh no. Those muscles.
Oh, easy.
Push. Pull. Yes, push, pull. So we went from that small thing to that now.
It's probably about half a centimetre wide now.
It's a workout. Can you be quiet over there?
Not similar is okay. You want to
Okay, I have to draw.
So what are you chiseling it in, are you?
Yeah.
Nice. I don't want to get you. I'd rather hit my own hand than yours again.
I know.
Have you ever had a bad accident?
This is under burn with the machine. I have incident in outside for the building.
Oh no.
I have customer make a plate and then my finger.
In that,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
Oh!
Where your finger like went through
Yeah,
the
yeah,
middle.
I put the silver and then my finger like that.
Oh.
Wait. This.
Oh.
So mine's just getting softened over there, and then I think we'll be going back to the ice bucket to set that in place. So Gaz broke his.
I'm starting again because I went too deep on the other one. Practice makes perfect.
This was attempt number one. I think you can see the one which was just a bit too deep.
It's too strong.
Yeah. Oh wow! Thank you so much. That was all you. And it gets fired again. I'm just having the ring adjusted to make sure it fits perfectly.
So mine is.
That's really good. Guys, look at this. It's bright red.
Oh.
Okay, stop.
Perfect circle.
Oh.
Let's see if it fits. It fits!
Really teasing the ring thing.
Wow, look how shiny that is.
Wow. Looks so good. Wow.
You never see all of our mistakes. Did you draw that heart as well? Wow,
Very
that's
nice.
so neat. Never guessed it was hand drawn. And these are the final products. Let us know what you think, and we'll leave the details to the class in the description if you'd like to go. I've just had the best surprise. I was just sat here then on the couch, and I could just hear two guys walking in singing happy birthday and they just delivered this beautiful cake. But it was so funny because they couldn't light the candles because there was like a bit of a breeze. So they must have been stood in like so many different locations. They started off here trying to light the candle, then made their way to like over here, and then eventually they were in the bedroom trying to light the candles. And then they were like, oh, do you want a photo? So we were like, oh yeah, we'll get a photo. But then it was too dark upstairs. And then we tried standing there and that was too dark. And then eventually we stood over there. It was so funny because it was just so unexpected. For me and Gaz.
Yeah.
You said you didn't know about
I didn't
that.
know.
So kind. But all Balinese people are so kind. Wow, look at this cake. Oh yeah, so there's only half here because I sent the guys away with some. I was like, I can't get a happy birthday song and then not share the cake.
It looks really nice.
It looks delicious.
Plus the other chocolates I just got for Ghost. I literally just went down to grab these from the delivery driver, which is some like fancy chocolates. And then they said they got a cake for me.
You've been outshone.
They one-upped me.
I hope you like seeing what a luxury bamboo villa in Bali is really like. We have had an absolutely amazing time. Please like and subscribe this video if you have enjoyed, and let us know in the comments if you would stay here.
And remember to say happy birthday to Kerry.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya!